If you're interested in making DIY sweet orange almond body butter, then keep watching this video. First, add 1 cup of shea butter. If it's difficult to get the shea butter out, use your hand. If you live in a cold climate, then it is normal for the shea butter to be a little bit harder than normal. If it is, then just use your hands to dig it out of the container. Next, melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds each. Stir it in between each 30 seconds to make sure it's all melted. If it is not all melted, put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, but make sure not to overheat it. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sweet orange essential oil. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Add 1 cup of sweet almond oil. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Mix it with an electric mixer. After, chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. It's solidified and ready. Whip it up with the electric mixer. It should look very soft and fluffy when it is done being whipped. Then you will store it in a clean jar for later use. Make sure you keep it in a cool room to prevent any melting. Enjoy your new DIY body butter. I'll see you in my next video.